Hey video creators, have you ever been bothered by a lot of interlaced aliasing in your videos? Do you want to know how to effectively reduce the interlaced jagged edges in the picture and improve the overall viewing experience? Today I will introduce you to two powerful AI software, UniFab and Hitpaw, to see whether they can intelligently identify interlaced sources and effectively eliminate jagged and compression artifacts in the video picture, making the picture cleaner and clearer. We will select Deinterlace and then import our video. Next, it is very simple. You only need to select the output resolution to complete the whole function. Here we choose the original enhancement. On the right panel, you can preview your video and even trim clips before processing. Once everything looks good, set your export folder and simply click Start. You can see that UniFab's export speed is very fast. Next, let's enter Hitpaw to operate. Here is Hitpaw's method on how to deinterlace video. We open the software. Here is the starting interface of Hitpaw. On the left side of the software is a list of all functions. We click Frame Interpolation. After uploading your original video, click on the effects and choose the frame rate enhancement model from the provided list. Once you've selected the AI model, it will automatically deinterlacing with AI and enhance your video resolution. Finally, preview the video for final changes and export it to your local files on the computer. Let's see how the final effect compares. The final effects of these two deinterlacing software are obviously different. Hitpaw fails to effectively remove the jagged edges in the interlaced signal, and the picture details are not restored enough, and the overall performance is poor. In terms of detail preservation and aliasing repair, UniFab's deinterlacing function shows significant advantages. The edges are clearer, the textures are more vivid, the contrast is better, and the overall picture quality is significantly improved, making each frame more visually attractive. It effectively reduces a large number of interlaced artifacts and performs very well. So, which software do you think has a better deinterlacing effect? If you like our video, please like and support us, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more AI deinterlacing tools and practical videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.